So you may have woke up this morning and been like, what the hell? What happened to Shiba Inu price? And I took a little time to dive into this and break this down for you guys because I was wondering the same thing. When we look across the market right now, there really wasn't anything from a market-wide stance that was going to push Shiba Inu down. Bitcoin kind of flat, Ethereum kind of flat, not really a whole lot going on, but yet SHIB actually had this breach of support falling all the way down to our 100-day moving average. Now, this didn't have anything to do with whales. Some people will say, oh yeah, whales are preventing it from going up. $36,000 in outflows, not really anything going on there. And that really points just to one thing. It's a retail shakeout. Is retail moving from Shiba Inu to some other coins in the space. And this happens from time to time, right? There's always a litmus test to see how strong you are. Now, the great thing is that Shiba Inu did in fact bounce off of our 100-day moving average, something that's done many times before, right? Breach, bounce, breach, bounce, breach, bounce. And again, our breach and our bounce, right? All the way back to our support at about 4024. Now, today will be a good indication of if we're going to continue this or not. But really, this is just more of what we've been seeing, more of the same. When you look at what's happening in the market, it's a lot of just circular trading, guys, moving from coin to coin to coin to coin. This coin will pump this day, this coin will pump this day, this coin will pump this day. And although we're getting into that time where we're going to see those big retail inflows towards more sustainability, higher market caps, this hasn't been that over the last week. That's the reason why when SHIB got its nice, breach of our resistance here, we fell back down because it wasn't, again, conducive for that next move to the upside. Now, what's great is that this may, in fact, be that setup, right? It's been that setup several times for creating higher highs. We'll see what happens here. But what I have to say is this, pay attention to not just SHIB, but other coins in the space as well. If you guys aren't members of my Patreon, you guys definitely should check it out. We have a Discord going on, and a lot of these coins that actually did pump over the past few days, we did discuss in my Patreon. For example, I said, watch Caspa here. This was on Sunday. I said, watch Floki here as well. And you guys, if you take a look at what's happening in the charts, you guys can see what Caspa did. Caspa exploded. You guys can see that Floki, it doesn't look like an explosion, but it's like a 20% move. So there are coins out there that are going to, I did mention Fetch too. Fetch has moved a little bit, not a ton, but there are other coins out there besides Shiba Inu that are going to make moves as well. It's just a question of what day they're going to do it on. Okay. Now, I will say this, Shiba Inu, when it does make its move, it's going to likely be a big one. When we do, wow, that was weird. When we do breach some of these levels of resistance and the market is conducive for sustainable pumps, we're going to start to set some of these higher cycle highs. Right now, around 4045 is the big one, but there's not even that much resistance there. It wouldn't surprise me if sometime over the next probably 3 to 6 months, SHIB we're discussing new all-time highs. Would not surprise me at all. And as always, this is not financial advice, this is not a guarantee, but there are steps like this along the way. There are shakeouts, there are litmus tests, and we're just going through one of them right now. So just wanted to share that with everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.